Robert, the guy who runs Stormsure, only bought these shoes 6 months ago, but on both shoes, the upper has started pulling away from the sole. He wants to show everyone how easy it is to repair a broken shoe in this video, so you don't have to buy new shoes every 6 months. First, he cleans any dirt and debris out of the hole to get it ready for the repair. For this repair, he's using Stormsure Flexible Repair Adhesive with a precision nozzle. Available from our website, link in the description. Doing the repair is actually pretty easy. Just squirt some glue into the gap, a generous amount, but not so much that it will squeeze out when you press the hole closed. Then take some sticky tape or masking tape, whatever you have available, and tape the hole closed. Neaten up any other wear and tear while you're there too. If you do need to glue down any other broken parts like this, just keep them in place with some tape as well. Leave the repair on a flat surface overnight to cure. Once you're happy the glue has cured, remove the tape and check the fix. When you're happy it's all repaired, return your shoes to normal use. They are now fixed with a waterproof flexible bond, and you've saved yourself hundreds and some shoes from going to landfill. Well done.